You don't own your money. Your credit card does. It feels like freedom. Swipe now, worry later. But that later is where the trap begins. Imagine this. You buy a phone for $1,000. Doesn't feel like much, just a swipe. But you don't pay it off. Interest hits. Now it's $1,200. And suddenly, you are working for something you already own. Banks don't make money when you pay fast. They make money when you stay in debt. Minimum payment. That's not help. That's the system keeping you trapped. The rich don't fear credit cards because they never carry debt. They use them like cash. If they can't pay it today, they don't buy it. So, the next time you swipe, ask yourself, am I buying this or am I selling my future for it?